Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So I was reading about a cleaning business owner who was complaining about one of their customers. Yeah, it turns out, from what I can tell, that the client found out how many hours they were actually cleaning from probably the checking in and checking out on their security alarm system. And this cleaning business owner was upset, saying, hey, listen, it's none of their business to tell me how to clean. All they should care about is, are they getting a good end product? Is their office clean? And however I do that is my business. Heck, if I wiggle my nose and that's how it happens, that's the way I'm doing it. It's really none of their business. I did get the feeling that this company was a little bit embarrassed, that the owner was a little bit embarrassed, and it was coming across as anger or frustration, which is natural. Maybe when the customer told them that, they really didn't even realize the hours had dropped that far. Or in worst case, maybe the hours had dropped way down and the cleaning business owner didn't care because he didn't have time to fix it. He didn't mind making a little bit more money. And as long as the customer wasn't complaining, no harm, no foul, which by the way, probably isn't the case, right? But for whatever reason, here's where they were. So what do you do about this? Well, first of all, there is two sides of this. One side is you can become more efficient. It's true. Residential can be the same way. Commercial also. You can become more efficient through how you do the cleaning, the strategy, the equipment. It can work that way to a point. On the other hand, I would say that there's also this thing where there's this relationship between the amount of time you put into a job on a regular basis and the quality of the cleaning. And really, for both parties, for the client and for you, at least in our company, it always seemed good to keep that common sense relationship between the two. Why? Because if we hired people and we trained the cleaners to clean a building in a certain way in a certain amount of hours, first of all, they got paid that number of hours. Secondly, the building looked clean for quality. Third, the customer was happy. So they were happy with what they paid and we made a fair amount of profit. And plus the last thing is this, we were able to grow. You can't be very scalable if you're constantly worried about the quality of the current accounts you have when you're going to add new accounts, and you're worried because you don't know exactly what's happening for the hours. So I guess I would say it's simply that for us, and maybe for lots of other companies, maintaining that relationship between how many hours you clean and the quality and the job you have to do makes a lot of sense for everybody. Sometimes, like I say, maybe people don't have a timekeeping system in place and it catches a cleaning business off guard. Or maybe they don't know how to how to train people to clean the right amount of hours. Whatever the reasons are, what you don't want in the end is an unstable company being, and some other company is taking over your accounts because the quality's down, and also that your customers begin to not only be unhappy with your cleaning, but to question your integrity. You want to be talking to them and have a good relationship of understanding so they can trust you and the quality's up too. Something to think about. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.